Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the MFTEK Tag 3 gaming mouse. As you can see, the packaging is pretty minimalistic with only the brand's name on the top and no other information or branding or anywhere else on the package. So let's get into it and see what we have on the inside. On the inside, we get a little card on which all the buttons are marked out and they tell you what each of the buttons do. Next is the gaming mouse itself. As we can see, there is a black and white color theme going for it. It is primarily black in color. The top and the sides are pretty much black, so is the bottom, and there are some nice white, translucent white kind of highlights running along the middle. And on top we have this design like the branches of a tree or lightning that run across the top of the device, through which the LED lights will shine out of. In terms of buttons, we have the standard 3 buttons: left click, right click, scroll wheel and click. We have the DPI button over here, and above that we have the mode button, and on the left hand side we have 2 extra buttons. These buttons can be customized as forward or back or anything that you require. It could even be set as copy paste or something like that. Coming down to the cable, we can see that it is nylon braided, so it should end up being quite durable. On the end of the cable, we have a USB type A interface, and the jacket for the interface is also quite chunky, so it should end up being quite durable as well. The cable is black and red in color. So let's connect this mouse to a PC and see the lights in action. The mouse also has plug and play functionality, which means that it will detect and install the drivers that are required to use this mouse automatically. So you can simply just plug it and start using it. As you can see here, the lights have a breathing effect, and currently they have the blue color going for it. We will turn down the studio lights to give you a better look. As you can see, the MFTEK branding is on the right click button, and over here we have an eagle symbol that seems to be the brand's logo. On the bottom we have the optical sensor, and over here we have the voltage, which this mouse is rated for 5 volts, and the rated current is 100 milliamps. It can also be adjusted in terms of its DPI up to 2000 DPI. So this was the unboxing of the MFTEK Tag 3 gaming mouse. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.